Onde estás? Yoo-hoo! Ozzy, where are you? Here! Ozzy, anda cá! Ozzy! Para chegar lá, the Scarlet Macaw. Ozzy foi para ali. Did Ozzy go that way? Really? Foi para ali. Ah, ok. Obrigada. Thank you. Não foi para ali, pois não. He didn't go that way, did he?
No.
Hello. Which way? Foi por onde?
That way.
That way. Foi para ali. Why do you keep tricking me? It's not that funny. Está-me sempre enganado. Vai, vamos procurar o Ozzy. Let's go find Ozzy. Obrigada. Thank you. Ozzy, come here. Hi. Ozzy. Oh, buddy. Ah, there you are. Woo! Muito obrigada. Thank you very much. Olá a todos. O meu nome é Candice e este moço aqui é o Ozzy, uma arara azul e amarela. Hi everybody, my name's Candice and this big glutton over here, well, he's Ozzy, a blue and yellow macaw. Já que estão todos aqui, eu adorava demonstrar uma habilidade super gira que o Ozzy tem. Mas precisamos de ajuda, não é? Precisamos de um adulto forte. So we need a little bit of help from somebody to show off something really cool that Ozzy can do. We need an adult, but we need a really strong adult. No strong adults, not this fortes. You want to join me? Right up these stairs, please. Uma salva de palmas para o nosso voluntário.
Oh, because he knows what's happening.
So Ozzy, it's our first victim. I mean volunteer. I always get those two mixed up. You ready for this?
They don't know what
Brad?
way.
Hi there. You speak
Is that what
English?
you want?
What's your name? Gareth. Gareth, do you like a bit of a challenge? Ozzy loves a challenge, and this is easy, okay? 2 hazelnuts, one for you, Gareth, one for
Daddy's
Ozzy.
going to play with the parrot.
Gareth, you can only use your hands to try and crack it open. No teeth, no feet, no floor, okay? I've had a couple of them.
You
And
still
Ozzy,
have
well, seeing as though he hasn't got any hands, he's going to use his feet, so it's fair, right?
Okay.
You agree with that? I don't. So, muito fácil. No submerge, vamos ver quem consegue partir primeiro. Ozzy, Parrot, yeah? Gareth, you ready? Yeah, just your hands, okay? Let's count to 3. Vamos contar até 3. 1, 2, 3. Força, Ozzy, come on, Gareth. He's done. Are you done? No, come on. Woo! Conseguiu! He's done it! Wow! That's great, Gareth. This one first. Gareth, not as easy as it looks, right? Ozzy's the best nutcracker I know. But for being such a really great volunteer, I have a really big reward for you. Portanto, uma bela recompensa para o nosso voluntário. A peanut! O amendoim! No? Okay, Gareth, they're good to eat. I had some. Thank you so much. Hope you have a great day. Uma salva de palmas for you. Bye, Ozzy.
He likes peanuts.
Oh, look! It's Indy. A-D. And the toads.
Bird up on the wire.
These guys don't only use their strong beak to break open their food, they also use it to climb, just as Amy's showing you guys right now. Portanto, eles têm bico forte só para curtir o alimento, também usado para trepar. All the way down, Amy. Vamos ver isto.
Am I feeling
Good
Well,
girl.
you can get.
I don't really want to.
Climb it down the hill.
Muito obrigada, thank you very much. Gareth, you want to try this one too? No? Alguém quer experimentar? Não? Ela também consegue ser bem delicada e para demonstrar isso só preciso de algumas pessoas nestas 2 filas. Só tem que levantar a palma da mão, right? So she can also be really delicate. And to show that off, I only need a couple of people in these 3 rows to lift up the palms of their hands. You ready? So who's first? Quem quer experimentar? Não precisa dos dedos de volta, pois não? Não? Estas aves conseguem descascar e comer sementes de girassol literalmente em segundos. You're not going to need your fingers back, right? No? See that? These guys can crack open and eat sunflower seeds literally in seconds.
Oh yeah.
Lydia, don't put your hand out.
Ready?
Don't put your hand out.
Perfect. Good girl. All they do is crack open and eat what's inside. Then scratch from the stockholming, fish with split, crab, this. You want to try? That's perfect. You ready? See how quick she is? Okay. This is the last one. É a última. Muito bem. Muito obrigada a todos. Thank you, everybody.
Job.